Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Greenhouse HR's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Greenhouse HR's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in app.greenhouse.io and make a search. The login page of Greenhouse HR's account will appear on the screen. You can either sign into your Greenhouse HR's account using your Google or email as well. Here I'm gonna go with email. Enter your email address and tap on next. On the next page, enter a password associated with your Greenhouse HR's account and tap on sign in. Tick mark on the box that says keep me signed in case if you want your ID to be remembered next time you log in. In case if you don't remember your password, click on forgot your password option. This is how you can log into your Greenhouse HR's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.